Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. If you're new here, in today's video, I'm going to take you through one of my leg day workouts with my personal trainer, Austin. Now, I get asked this quite a bit. Why do you have a personal trainer? You don't need a trainer. You know what you're doing. Yes, I do know what I'm doing. However, I look forward to having a personal trainer. I see Austin once a week and we do only leg days, and that is fun to me. I show up, I don't have to think about my workout. I have someone to spot me, motivate me, push me, load all the plates on barbell hip thrusts and squats and take them all off. I don't have to do anything, and it's amazing. In one of my finance books that I read, Rich AF, the author talks about how everyone should have like a luxury thing that they spend money on that brings them joy, makes their lives easier, etc. So for instance, the author's, hers was her eyelash extensions. I miss my eyelash extensions. But mine is my personal trainer I see once a week and my private gym membership. That is fun to me. Working out is my life. I love it. And so it just makes sense. That's what I spend like my fun money on. I hope you enjoyed today's leg workout. Hope you give it a try in the gym and let me know what you think.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, 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 like I do.
Couple more. I want 3 more. Still you're set. Good, come on, Stephanie, come on. Good, one more, come on now. Rip it up. And good.
I don't do solo, you be Yoko, I'll be owner. I don't wanna live in mono, stay in remedy, my phone. We can party down in Soho, gets me up when I'm Lolo. I say Marco, you say Polo.
I hope you enjoyed that leg day. My legs are burning. I can't wait to hear how it goes for you. And let me know what else you'd like to see on my channel. I also do like hybrid high rocks workouts. So if you want to see those, I can film that for my channel as well, or what I eat in a day. Give me some ideas and I will make it happen. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.